Cecilia's Stories. Today we're going to do a baking soda and vinegar experiment. Oh, and this is my assistant Seabird who will help me. Well, let's get your stuff. Right, Seabird? Yeah. She said yes. So we need our baking soda, of course, and our vinegar, our food coloring, and our pipettes. So you need primary colors so you can make secondary colors. Ready? Let's get started. Okay, first thing we'll do is put a few drops of food coloring in each of these 3 vinegar pots. I'm gonna start with blue, but you can start with any primary color you want. Okay? Pop! Pop! Okay, it's already going. If you want, you can watch for a bit, and then I'll move on. If you want. Look how satisfying that is. Ooh, it's so satisfying. Well, let's get to the next color. You can watch it too if you want. Okay, I asked my mom for help. So you can ask any parent for help. Don't be afraid to ask. I put too many drops. Okay, let's wait for it first. Wait, the blue one's taking so long. We have to wait for the yellow. It just came. If you want, you can just watch it. Or you can stir it. Let's stir it. With my pipette. Okay, so let's get started. But first, you need to get your pipette. And get a few drops. But magic is going to happen if I put a few drops in here. I wonder what it is. Pick a color. I'm gonna go with red. I already started with it. I got some red. Oh, watch the magic happen. Oh, it's bubbling. It's bubbling. Let's put some more. Ooh, magic. Let's try some yellow. I'm pointing at the yellow because I can't wait. Okay, let's go here. Ooh, it's bubbling good. Let's get some more. Woo, that's so funny. Ooh, let's go all around. Let's go to blue! I can't wait! Let's go! Ooh, look at that! Let's go! Whee! That's so fun! Doesn't that look so satisfying, everybody? I'm more excited for blue because it's my favorite color. Oh! Wow! That's so cool! Now it looks like boiling sand. I think I did this once, but not like this. I've never done anything this amazing. Magic. Let's put some more. How about we make other colors? How about we mix some red and blue? I wonder what will happen. This looks so amazing. I got 2 pipettes. Ooh, wow! I think it needs a bit more red. It looks too blue. And more red, and more blue. And more red. Let's get some more red because we want it to look purple. Ooh, looks more purple now. Oh, there you go! That's what you want it to look like. Wow, there you go. Some nice purple liquid for you. It doesn't look great. I think I should have just put not so much of the dark part this time. I should not. Let's get going again! I want to use red and yellow. What will happen this time? We made purple. What color is gonna come out now? I want to go beside purple. Whoa! I bet you can guess what color that is. It's turning out better than the purple. Oh, it looks like a sunset now. There, it's a nice summery orange. Who likes orange? You like orange. I like orange. Everybody likes orange. Everybody likes all the colors. But let's go to the last color. Okay, let's get more pipettes. Ah! Phew, close one. But that was funny. It was like driving like a steering wheel. Like, roll the steering wheel. That was funny. But let's get continuing. I want to use yellow and blue. Wonder what color that will be. Oh! That looks interesting. It looks like a fun fidgety thing. I just want to complete as much as possible. Woo! What color did we get? We got green, but let's put some more yellow. It looks a bit dark. Oh, there you go. That's much better. Hey, go away. The baking soda crushed. I'm just gonna crush it with this. It's gone. It's still there? Oh, you put the pipe in there. It feels like there's bubbles. I mean, there's still crunch up there. But don't touch it. Did you see how the vinegar and the baking soda react? Or do you want to learn about how they go together? Yes, you want to? Okay. Because they make carbon dioxide together. The colors, the more you mix them together, the cooler they get. You know why the red and yellow make orange? Tell you what, the yellow is like a light orange, but when you put in the red, it gets darker, so it becomes orange. And you know how that happens? When you mix primaries, they make secondaries. Isn't that amazing? And that's our little experiment for today. I hope you enjoyed. You can try this if you want at home. But like I always say, ask a grown-up for help. But I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye! And see where's this bye too! Yep, she said bye.